MySQL is our what we call the small data store, right? Which is storing um, names of all the customers and all their users and what licenses they have, and all that metadata about people and the customers. While SingleStore stores all the data about them, like everything that has happened on their website, in their CRM, marketing automation. So when we are in terms of scale, we are talking about like 100 or 1,000 to 10,000 times more data in like SingleStore than MySQL. Eventually, we using SingleStore as the MySQL replacement, but that is a transition that we'll work on in the future.